I welcome to all. Good morning, dear students. Let's start science virtual classes. Now, today we will start chapter 5, Food and Health. You already know that food, all living organism need food. Food help us to grow and stay healthy. It gives us energy to do work. We eat different kinds of food. This not only suit our taste but also provide us with different types of nutrients. Now on the screen you have seen the nutrient screen. Question arising, what are nutrients? In your mind? Yes. Nutrients. Nutrients, the food you eat is a source of nutrients. Nutrients are defined as the substance found in food that keep your body functioning. Means nutrients are the substance present in food that are required for proper growth and development of our body. Your body needs nutrients. For what? To fuel your energy, help you grow, repair itself and maintain basic body functions. It on the screen there show a food pyramid. In this food pyramid there are different types of the nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals. These are the nutrients that present in different food stuff. Balance is key. Means we know that for years people held to the idea that there are bad nutrients and good nutrients when in fact all nutrients play a certain role in our body. Even those nutrients once considered bad, such as fat and carbohydrates, perform vital functions in the body, and if one consumes too many good nutrients such as vitamin and minerals, there can be harmful result as well. In pyramid, food guided pyramid, there are the three basic points. First one, balance. Eat food from all groups of the food guide pyramid. Second one, variety. Eat different foods from each food group. Third one, moderation. Eat more food from the bottom of the pyramid and fewer and smaller portion of the food from the top of the pyramid. Now, it is our diet pyramid. Healthy eating pyramid. There, first of all, top. We have start from the top to down. Meats and sweets. We are eaten in less form. Egg, cheese and yogurt we are eat in moderate portion, means daily to weekly. We have eat fish and seafood often at least 2 times per week. And next one is fruits, vegetables, whole grain, olive oil, bean, nuts, legumes, seeds, herbs and spices. Based every meal on these foods. We have eat more than these foods. So be physically active. We eat the healthy, follow this healthy eating pyramid. How to stay healthy? Yes, question arising. How to stay healthy? There are the 6 essential nutrients. First one, water, minerals, fats, vitamin, protein and carbohydrates. These are the 6 essential nutrients that are present in our food and which are important for our health. 6 essential: water, carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the body main source of energy and provide the body need for dietary fibers. And the food sources are bread, cereals, grain, rice, fruit, milk, yogurt and sweets. These are the some sources. And carbohydrates are two types. In complex carbohydrates means starchy and the simple carbohydrates. Next is vitamin. Vitamins are food sources: all fruits and vegetables, milk, whole grain, bread, cereals, legumes. These are the food sources. Unlike carbohydrate, fats and proteins, vitamins do not provide energy. Means calories not provided by these vitamins. What are the functions of the vitamin in our body? Help regulate the many chemical process in the body. There are 3 different vitamins known to be required each day for good health. Vitamins are separated into 2 types: fat soluble and water soluble vitamins, that we will discuss later on. Next one is minerals. Food sources: meats, beans, nuts, fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy product, etc. There are some food sources. Functions in the body of the minerals. The body depend on minerals for practically every process necessary for life. And minerals actually become the part of the body, and the body requires the 16 minerals daily. So we will also again discuss these minerals later on. Now, when 6 essential in our food: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals, when all these are we have take in our diet, this diet is called the balanced diet. Now, carbohydrate and fats both are provide energy to our body. So these are known as energy giving food. Proteins help to grow and repair the worn out tissue. So proteins are called body building food. Next, vitamin and minerals. These are necessary for the proper functioning of our body. Both are not provide the energy, not are the grow and repair the body parts, but they are necessary for our body for because they have protect us from different types of disease. Now, balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Yes, balanced diet, a diet which contains all the nutrients in proper or appropriate amount, is called balanced diet. Means all 6 nutrients: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, water, all these are in our diet. We have take in our food, that we have take the balanced diet. Next is health and hygiene. What is health? Health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. For maintaining good health, our body needs what we have need to maintain our body healthy. Yes, we have need a balanced diet, regular exercise, proper rest, good personal hygiene, clean and hygienic surrounding. When we have take all these points in our day-to-day life, then our health is totally good. To maintain our good health, we have follow these needs. If we don't fulfill these different needs of our body, we may fall ill and get disease. So today we have discussed the nutrients, different types of nutrients, balanced diet and health. And tomorrow we continue our topic food and health chapter. Thank you so much.